we are going to see the good and bad of CERASEAL B. It is a bioceramic sealer. Most importantly, it is the budget friendly sealer available in the market. A must product for those who charge less. Unboxing the CERASEAL B product, you can see three components: powder, liquid and spatula. Powder is very small quantity and liquid is a good considerable amount. After dispensing the powder and liquid, I am going to show you the mixing procedure. Let's obturate this natural tooth with the bioceramic sealer. The drawbacks of CERASEAL B's will start from here. Then while mixing, you not feel a good consistency, and there was no ideal powder liquid ratio mentioned by the brand, and while mixing the consistency was thick and grainy. Like to make it little thin, you have to add one more drop of liquid. While adding one more drop of liquid, even though the consistency was not felt good, it was a thick consistency. I have taken the sealer in the GP and going to obturate in the natural tooth. I am going to place the sealer in the canal using the GP and going to give some movement so the sealer will coat the entire wall of canal. Summarizing the positive and negative of CERASEAL B, in my point of view, I have obturated 4 molars using one pack and it is a budget friendly. And the second thing, the post-operative pain was felt minimal and no post-operative pain was felt by some of the patients. And the negative part, the consistency was not good and it is a powder liquid form. And the third thing, the radio opacity in the X-ray is not good. If you are charging less for a root canal in your practice, then it is a must buy product in your clinic. Like, share, subscribe, Dear Madness Dentistry if you agree my point of view.